I'll be right back.
Hurry.
Basket by Malone. Basket by Malone. Foul on the play. Bryant to the hoop. For two, scored bucket, there's a foul. Eagle foul on number 0, Sam Markham, his second at the line.
Yeah, Belly!
Basket's good by number 25, Alan Talabon. There's a foul on the play. And it is on number 0, Sam Markham, his third. Basket's good by Elijah Bryant, and there's a foul. It's on number 3, Jim. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget, tomorrow. By Markham. Number 3, Aaron Bryant, and number 11, Moses Kinga.
Hello? They calling? Yeah, I just hung up with it.
Out of bounds, so David Douglas.
Huh?
Eagle foul, number 11, Richard, his third. Eagle ball out of bounds. Into Wisconsin, 41, Gus Kinga. Number 13, Jacob Ostiog, and number 11, Moses Kinga. Foul on the play. That's on number 5, Reese Atkinson, his first. Eagle ball out of bounds. tomorrow night.